Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Any video upload on YouTube, Instagram. So, how you can upload the video in a Facebook option? Several methods. What are the several methods we can using will be upload the video on your Facebook business page? First of all, I'm selecting one of the website is called or app or whatever it is in called Sri Laptop World. This is already in selling for laptops everything. So any video of publishing time, they can number of features are here. Photo, get message, get WhatsApp, everything will be here. In this, what are the numbers you have? The based on your numbers you can activate. Suppose I'm receive the messenger purpose. That I'm received by calls. Upload this particular video option. What are the video? First of all, upload from your particular notepad or your particular desktop. After this one, what are the content you can publish here? And you can click for option name is called get WhatsApp message or get message will be your Facebook Messenger option. I can receive the more from Facebook message that you can receive by here. Get message will be here, receive by messenger. But most of the things we have to use the feature is called get WhatsApp message. Why? Because we don't skip any number from the customer sending message. So easily we can connect with the customer and they will be looking for your particular product based on your price. They will be increase your leads by your WhatsApp number. We are generating only leads from through Facebook. Who are interested, they will ping the message on WhatsApp, and based on the price, the sale will be increased and the marketing will be increased and based on your product. So this is the two ways we can always follow will be here. One is called get message and second will be WhatsApp message. Most of the thing add your WhatsApp and click for post on Facebook option. So if any further question on this particular issues on Facebook business page and everything, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.